Good morning, children, and welcome back to the English class once again. After a long time that we are getting back once again. And today we are going to a new chapter, that is the Song of the Engine. And before going to start this chapter, I like to share something with you. The students are requested, please be active and listen me carefully. Okay. So in the earlier days, man could not able to produce the transport system, and that was very difficult for him. But when man came to learn how it could discover the wheel, he learned from the log of wood and carving the stones, and he started the journey, and the transport system became much better and easier. But now we are getting the transport system very easily and very faster. Today we can see car, bus, truck, aeroplane, helicopter and train. But in olden time it is difficult. People walk and cover their distance. But now these days we can take the help of this vehicle. Within few seconds or few minutes we can reach our destination. Okay. So students, those have English book, you please open with me page number 38. The students are requested open their book page number 38. Look at here the first stanza. Okay. When you travel on the rail and the line goes up a hill, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with a wheel. The students, in the first 4 lines, the poet has introduced about the scenery and about the situation of the railway. And while you are travel on rail or train, if you are covered or if you are going towards a mountain, the movement of the train becomes slow. The movement of the train become slow, and it look like that something or someone pulls you. It's just imagine, or if you can feel it, the movement of the train. While the movement of the train becomes slow, you thought somebody is there who is pulling the train. But here it is different. The engine that could go off and it pull you with a wheel. The engine has a wheel to pull you go off. Then second, though it goes so very slowly, it sings this little song, I think I can, I think I can, and so it goes along. Yes, while you are going off to the mountain, there is a sound. In real life you could not listen any song, but the poet has described about the song. Then how engine do his work with the wheel. While you are doing your work with the wheel, most of the thing that it came to in our mind, while you are in trouble or in the situation, you started singing song. You started singing the song. So same thing it is happening with the engine. When it moves slowly, it started to sing the song. That means it can reduce the burden. It can reduce the burden of the engine. So the engine is going to sing, or the engine is singing, I think I can, I think I can. Okay. The next second stanza. Okay. This 4 line. But later on the journey, when you are going down a hill, the train requires no pulling and the engine singing still. Oh. Here also the engine is singing, but here it is different mood. And when you are going down, in the first stanza you are going off, but in the second stanza you are coming down, you are coming down. And there is written, the train require no pulling, the train require no pulling, the train could not find any burden, but the movement become very fast, the movement of the train become very fast. While the train was singing the song while going up, that was a burden, but here the burden of the stress has reduced, and the song of the engine still singing. Okay, the next, if you listen very quietly, same thing happen, you have listened in the first stanza and second stanza also. If you listen very quietly, you will hear this little song, I thought I could, and so it speed along. In the first stanza you listen, I think I can, that means the different situation, how could you turn into easy, and how could you attend, how could you face. But when in the second stanza, I thought I could, in the second stanza he remember the past thing, who, the train, the engine remember the past thing, how he achieved and reduce his burden. So in the second stanza he brought, I thought I could, that means he has done the difficult work, the difficult task he has done, and he find himself that he has done. So this is the different situation while the engine going up and coming down, and so it speeds along. And while you are coming down, he could achieve, or he could came to his own speed. So both the situation while you are facing difficult or any easy situation, wherever you are facing, maybe difficult or maybe easy, so you have to put the balance equal. Then you can face both the problems. Okay, so students, I think this much is enough for you. And students are requested, please note down this poem twice a time in your fair notebook. Okay, children are requested, please note down this poem twice a time in your notebook. Children, take care, stay healthy, may God bless you. Thank you.